When your HP mobile printer does not power on, you can test the battery, wall outlet, and power cord to locate and fix the power issue. For mobile printers with a removable battery, remove the battery and test the printer power. From the rear of the printer, remove the battery cover if your printer has one. Remove the battery from the printer. If necessary, push up the Release tab to remove it. Plug the power cord into the printer and the other end into a power source. Attempt to power on the printer. If the printer does not power on, continue to the next step. Reset the printer and test the wall outlet for power. From the rear, disconnect the power cord. Unplug the other end of the power cord from its power source. While the printer is unplugged, plug a different product or appliance into the wall outlet. Power on the product or appliance to test the power of the wall outlet. If the outlet does not power on the product or appliance, find a working outlet for your mobile printer. Plug the power cord back into the printer. Plug the other end of the power cord directly into a wall outlet. Power on the printer. If the printer does not power on, test the reset steps and wall outlet with a second power cord. Make sure the power cord is compatible with your printer. Try to power on the printer using only the battery. From the rear, reinsert the battery back into the printer. With the battery installed, wait 15 minutes with the power cord connected. From the rear of the printer, disconnect the power cord. Power on the printer. If the printer does not power on, continue to the next step. If you have completed all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need service. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer.